हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हो आप लोग। सो एनडीए के एग्जाम को अब 40 दिन से भी कम समय रह गया है एंड नाउ इट्स द टाइम टू चेंज योर गियर एंड गिव योर बेस्ट इन द लास्ट 35-40 days. So after 11th, from 14th of March, Jordan's Academy is coming up. It's a batch for crash course, which will be a 1 month course starting from 14th of March and end on 13th of April. And during this 1 month, we'll be covering almost 60 hours of mathematics classes, which will cover all your important points. You'll get 25 classes of English, that is almost 37 hours of English classes, and same way you'll get around 15 hours of physics, 15 hours of chemistry, 15 hours of biology, and same history, geography, and pol science. So those students who want to quickly revise the syllabus, as well as the 12th standard student who could not get the time to prepare and they want to give their best in this 1 month, please do join our crash course starting from 14th of March. You can contact me directly on my WhatsApp number, which is available on the social media platform as well as Google. So all the best. Give your best in last 1 month. Jai Hind.